Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to go ahead and replace rearview mirror on my 2011 Honda CR-V. A couple of days ago I noticed when I put the defrost on, my passenger side rearview mirror defrosts, my back window defrosts, but my driver's side doesn't defrost. In a lot of newer vehicles, they have a heating element inside the mirror to defrost the windows, so you don't have to like scrape them in the wintertime. So we can change the mirror instead of changing the whole casing. A lot of manufacturers nowadays have that option so that you can just change the mirror instead of changing the whole casing. Some manufacturers even have the option of changing just little parts of the mirror. I know Mazda and Subaru are very conscious on that. They have, when you're buying the part, you can just buy the casing, the little light, the mirror, the heater inside. Honda as well on certain models. I'm lucky enough that in my model I can buy just the mirror. A few ways you can test to see the operation of your mirror, see why it's not working. You can check the fuses. Usually it's the defrost fuse. You can also see that if back window and the other side is working, most probably it's the mirror that's not working is the problem. You can also check the resistance in the heating element, which I went ahead and did, and this one shows that it's working. It's brand new, and I'll show you how to check it on the old one. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove it. They're fairly simple on a lot of models, how to remove it. You just need a little flat screwdriver, pop the pins out. I know on Mazdas it's a little bit more delicate. You might need to have a heat gun to heat up the plastic a little bit so it pops out because it's quite tight. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take that one out. Some tools you'll need to remove the mirror. Very basic. Little flat screwdriver. I even have a smaller one just to make sure. A little pick to help, and a little persuasion if I needed it. Little pry bar. I also have my multimeter. I will check the resistance on the mirror, and also I'll check the voltage just to make sure, just to see that there's voltage actually getting to the mirror to see if it's working. Alright, so we're in the car. I'll show you the button that usually resembles in most vehicles about the rear defrost. As you can see in my model of CR-V, it's this button right here. It shows the rear defrost and the rearview mirror's defrost. On some vehicles, they have it actually on the side. Sometimes they have it with the adjustable mirrors. There's a button. Every make and model is different. And as you can see, today we have another little spectator. He's here to make sure that I'm doing the job properly and that the mirrors work afterwards. So, you're good? He's good. Alright, so we're just going to take our little screwdriver here. Move the mirror all the way up as much as we can. And then just pry it from the backing. There's a little clip. You pop it open. And then behind the mirror you have two wires. The two wires that hook up to the heating element here. Alright, so just for fun, I started the car, I put the rear defrost on, and I'm going to check for voltage. And there's voltage there, so we're good to go. And just to make sure, I'm gonna check, put my multimeter on ohms for resistance. Turn the car off. And I will check. And as I can see, there is no continuity. So I can tell that the mirror, the heating element in the mirror doesn't work. So that's why we're gonna go ahead and replace it. Here we have the new mirror. As you can see on the backing, on certain models, there's a little like a sticky tape kind of. So we're gonna remove that. We're gonna reinstall the wiring in the backing of the mirror, slide it up and click it back. Take off my little made in Japan sticker, and there you have it. Fairly easy, and like this, very cost efficient. We don't have to replace the whole casing because everything else in the casing is fine. We don't have to remove anything, it's all there. All right, so there you have it. Fairly simple. Like I said, on some different types of models, it might be a little bit more complicated. Some of them, yes, you might have to buy the whole mirror completely, but fortunately for us, it was just the mirror that we can just purchase and replace. Some models of vehicles actually will give you a check engine light that will light up in the electrical side and give you a code to tell you that there's a problem in the mirror system, defrost system. Another easy way to test to see if the mirror is working or not is just run the car, push the defrost button, and you can put your hand on the mirror and you'll actually feel that it's a little warm. Even if it's not warm, good indication it's not working. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Quick, easy way to replace the mirror. If you like content like this, just keep on watching. There's gonna be some new things coming on to the channel. Like always, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. If there's anything else that you guys want me to take a more depth look into, things that you like about it and things you don't like, I'm always open to new things. So guys, have a great day again, and like, share, and subscribe. Take it easy, guys. Bye.